loves eating at Texas Roadhouse. They just opened in Cebu. Ah, wow. Good. I love to go Cebu, but I don't like to walk because especially so traffic. The road is so smaller, so crowded, and very, very hot. Mhm. I'm Ohio too, from Columbus, Ohio. Rambo, what part in Ohio? Because Greg is from Columbus, Ohio. Ohio, right? Ohio, Ohio, right? Ohio. I think Ohio. So this one, my channel, I gonna end this one. So please watching to my other channel, Jing's Morning Vlog. Okay, everyone, this one I gonna end it. Please, Greg, watch there another channel. Thank you and God bless. Wala din, hardly. 200,000, Jesus Christ. Some people that selling. What's the ano? This is 1 year. Then ano? Combine your memory with a recent photo. Hardly 200. Who's buying that? Just so expensive. I'm from in Ohio. Inas akong nawundra. Oy, itong it's not same. The one is good. The camera, this one. Thank you so much, people. Do subscribe to my channel. I have 68 now. Thank you, people. Thank you very much. Hala, 8:37 naman dahil eh. 8:37. Oh, nice design. Design. Tomorrow I will going so live again, everyone. Ken? Bibiin naman dahil. Dali ba? Ito sa dili sibre sa Alisa.
Come on.
Giin pag unang ano siya dili na same.
Saan naman hindi naman lagi